Hello guys, welcome to my channel Error Genie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 Update KB5086672 OS builds 26200 on 8117, 26100 on 8117 not installing. First, open Windows Settings, Windows Update. Click Pause Updates, then Resume Updates, and try installing again. If that doesn't work, type Services in Windows Search and open it. Find App Readiness, double-click it, set it to Automatic, click Apply, then Start, and restart the service. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service Bits and Windows Update Service. Now go back to Windows Update and click Retry. Still not working? Run PowerShell commands, search PowerShell, run it as administrator, and execute the commands provided in the description. These will reset Windows Update components by stopping services, renaming the software distribution folder, and restarting services. After that, restart your PC and try updating again. Next, run system repair commands. Search CMD, run as administrator, and execute the 3 commands SFC and DISM scans. Wait for each scan to complete, then restart your PC. If the issue persists, install the update manually. Open the Microsoft Update Catalog, search for KB5086672, and download the correct version based on your Windows version check using WinVer and system type x64, x86. Install it manually and restart. Still not fixed? Go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, and select Fix Problems using Windows Update. This reinstalls Windows without deleting your files. As a last step, use the Media Creation tool from the Microsoft website. Download it, create an ISO, run setup, and choose Keep Personal Files and Apps to repair Windows. One of these steps should fix the update issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Error Genie.